aikuru uku invest broad ya kuna uku maridi na kuna akodra kuhe a return of 6% annually on a minimum is dead capital poor investment.
Okay.
Why do I say that? Todo gutore budget you had a treasury bill lay.
Yes.
Kana government
bonds
board lay. The minimum you get is 6%. So no ikuru tumetega the opportunity cost. Na tuga opportunity cost ni riri.
Yes.
Is a value of foregone alternative. Ni kuga atiriri. Wakanyoba kwanyugicagiri. Koguo ni urona mbeca nyingi gukira 6% icio ungiona ugikira treasury bill. Koguo ni kirona adwa diaspora ni maruga atiriri. Let my money earn instead of investing in this plot. Na goka thutha wa miaka 10 na ugiyatuika kumikash kwendia abroad. It take a bit of time to do other processes. Now taxation, it is true. In fact then uria muingi muno twina guo bururi-ini wa Kenya ri.
Yes.
Ni repercussion ni gudakwira maundu maya turaigua ri ni the impact ya finance bill 2023.
Okay.
Kaigi economy area it take about a year or two to ground or to settle.
Yes.
Either positively or negatively. Na urakora andu aingi especially our brothers and sisters ere mena gukunya makima mane na kitu twitaga they are stuck with expensive inventory. Ate inventory urarehire utangihota kwendia tondu andu aria arenderia nao matina mbeca cia kugura na customer ndaragura tondu na toguo wini auga mbeca iri kunyia muhuko no ika prioritization.
Right.
Ukoria ngugura birika ya kuhia mai mahiu kana ngugura jiko hiuhagia na makarai kana kugura irio. So there are those consideration nikio igwa andu makiuga na Jeff gwire kugura gari njeru tindikite that the economy is doing well. Todo 80% of people who drive on the roads matigura gari na mbeca ciao maguraga na maroni. Ko ni kuga atiriri ona ko kuwete ati andu matiraheo maroni ri andu aria matiraheo maroni ri ni andu aria matrai na hi o hario unginyitira andu a biashara nini aria moka ni heo roni unsecured loan.
Yes.
Na ni ukuriti nigetha joke ni kiuria kiu hamwe ria thirikari ya komba mbeca kuma economy ni tugia na crowding effect. Nitagutharana thani imwe na kana ka grade 3 ati morali nyama hamwe.
Yes.
No karumire kamwe. Na thirikari ire guka in the money market kukomba ri.
Yes.
Fegi ugaga atiriri kukombithia Jeff ndura ngimuragira thimu ngimwira arihe. So the cost of loan administration becomes very expensive. And even the risk factor.
Yes.
Ati biashara yaku kana uria wikaga no ireme no thirikari ni ndu akitu utaga perpetuate model ona kungigoka ungi mundu oturoni tukiriha agro leasing yale ya mwari wa Kibaki koguo no ikariho koguo runi rwaku no rikariho.
Yes.
Nikio rona rimwe fegi makaremwo ni guko kana loan watuika expensive kuri mundu ta we individually kana small and medium enterprises.
Right, tugicoka turorere
Shesheni hakuhe nawe.